think it's a disease that can be inherited from your parents. It's something in your genes, some change in your genome sequence that is passed down from generation to generation. Something like type 1 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, something like that.
I would agree with what she said. I would say that something's kind of passed through your lineage, transmitted from someone that is in your family. So whether it skips generations from your grandparents to the grandchild, that would be a result. It could be a result of a genetically predisposed disease. You could be genetically predisposed for obesity.
I think it's something that you have like a genetic basis for having. So like some people are genetically predisposed to have like diabetes or like heart diseases and stuff. And there's like environmental factors that play into it as well.
I think it means that you get the disease just because of your genes.
I don't think it's just because of your genes. I think there's a very high possibility of you getting the disease because of your genes, but the environment has a big impact on it as well.
And perhaps just maybe an environmental trigger, even though you are more likely to get it because of your genes. Celiac.
Diabetes is another big disease, which has to do with glucose concentration.
Is arthritis one of them?
Okay, so I think a genetically predisposed disease is a disease that your likelihood of getting it is significantly increased if you have some genetic marker that they can test for. I think you could probably make the argument that every disease is genetically predisposed, but the ones we call genetically predisposed are probably just the ones that we have a way of linking it to something. I know, for example, like one of the there's like a BRCA1 gene mutation that predisposes you to like getting breast cancer.
Yeah, genetically predisposed disease is something that's hereditary, so it's something that's passed down in the genes from one or both parents, and it's something that you might not even realize until later on in life where it comes out. And I think maybe an example of one such genetically predisposed disease would be Parkinson's.
They're diseases that only specific to, I don't know, or like sex gametes, I think, right? I don't know. I think that's what they are.
Yeah.
Okay.